Meanwhile, a hospital in Las Cruces is being investigated after several cancer patients said they were turned away. Memorial Medical Center is now at the center of a civil case. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Oriana Botaro has been following this closely and brings us the latest.
I was on my way home and I couldn't believe it. I was shocked. How can you turn someone with cancer down?
And when I went in that day for the appointment, they called me up and said, your insurance dropped today. Do you have any other insurance? And I said, no. And they said, we can't see you today.
These are just some of the accounts coming from two Doña Ana County residents after learning the unthinkable.
I should have just been able to process what was going on, because I never thought I would get cancer. Never in a million years.
I kind of stood there with my jaw hanging a little bit and probably 3-4 seconds, just kind of like, And I said, okay. And I turned around and walked out. There was no offer of social services, which they have social workers on site. I didn't in that moment think of it. I was stunned.
Now the New Mexico Attorney General's office is taking steps to figure out why this happened, since many hospitals by state law cannot deny care due to a patient's financial situation.
It is apparent to me that decisions have been made and continue to be made from a standpoint that is primarily seemingly motivated by profit, by maximizing the bottom line, and without due respect and due regard for the patients under their care.
The Southern New Mexico for-profit hospital, which says on their website that they pride themselves on providing high-quality care, could potentially face penalties, according to Attorney General Raul Torres.
The announcement that we make today is predicated on a number of allegations that, if proven, could demonstrate violations of a number of state and federal law, including the Unfair Practices Act, the New Mexico Indigent Hospital and County Health Care Act, and the New Mexico Patients Debt Collection and Protection Act.
Was our Oriana Botaro reporting. Torres also said at yesterday's press conference that it is essential for their office, investigators and litigators, to get to the bottom of how this happened, and he also urges anyone with similar experiences to reach out to them. We also reached out to the Memorial Medical Center for comment, and they provided this statement. Quote, Memorial Medical Center was surprised to learn of this investigation by Attorney General Torres during his press conference. We remain committed to expanding access to care and being a good community partner in Las Cruces and Doña Ana County, and will be cooperating fully with this investigation. End quote.